check. I've been flowing extra proficiently when the beat blowing out the system. I only trust stereo systems, nigga, not the system. Got slicker rhythms, they try to log on like logarithm shit. Give me a beat in the shit and I'll make a nigga listen. From junior high school, rapping was a precise tool. Never had the luxury of spending guap for nice jewels. Only had the voice of an amateur, so I damaged the hits when a nigga spit like he took hits up off that cannabis. My nigga Joey handed us the fountain of youth. Flow better than fountains. I've been wishing well for wishing wells to make my wish true. Bad hoes undercover. They wanna love this brother cause I'm known to love the others while I'm undercovers. That's just another nigga sitting stoop up in the group. Only making music cause he wanna hear it from the coop. Y'all niggas got smart off my verses and palindromes. The closest thing y'all